everybody. It is Wednesday, December the 8th. Welcome to Vlogmas day number 8. Today's breakfast is a bacon and cheese sandwich on Sola golden wheat bread and a cup of coffee. I am going to call this good, and I'm going to check back with you guys a little bit later today. So guys, I've got this simmer pot going, and I don't know if you guys remember, if you have been following me for quite some time, you know I made these simmer pots last year by dehydrating my own fruit and making these cute little gifting jars with simmer pot ingredients in there. Well, this one was left over from last year. I was hoping that it would still be good. It smelled wonderful in the jar, and so I went ahead and put it in to see how it would do this morning in terms of fragrance, and it smells amazing. It smells so much like the holidays. And so I've got my simmer pot going this morning, and it is feeling so nice and Christmassy right now in my home. So I'm just really enjoying this fragrance. I think I'm going to make some more of these again this year. And of course, I will bring you guys along for the process. All right, friends, so I am finally on my way to the school, and I had a few problems that I needed to work out before I left the house. So I'm really now in a hurry to make sure I get there on time. But at any rate, I am headed up there, gonna be up there the remainder of the evening. Our rehearsal ends at 6 p.m. So I'll be up there the next 6 hours or so. I wanted to show you guys something. I had a company reach out to me, and they wanted me to try their portable oven. So I got it in the mail yesterday. I have a lunch here. So I'm gonna try it out for the first time today. I think I'm gonna try, if I have time. I wanna try it out like in between school being out and rehearsal, because I know I'm going to want something to eat by then. You all saw I had my bacon and cheese breakfast sandwich, so I know I'm going to want something to eat, and I don't want to eat when I get home. I've got to stop eating so late because I've been doing that way too often. So I'm going to try to eat my dinner in between the time school gets out and rehearsal time, because we have like 15 or 20 minutes or so before rehearsal begins. So I'm hoping I'll be able to try out the portable oven. I'm going to try it out a couple of times before I do a real review on it, because on my reviews, I like to give you all my honest opinion. So I'm definitely going to do that. And yeah, so we'll see how it works. When I open it up, I'll definitely show it to you guys. I'll do an unboxing here to show you guys what it looks like. But I thought that was really neat. Portable oven, you know, they come up with so many things. But supposedly you can take raw food, you know, and it'll cook it. Isn't that something? We'll see. That's supposedly. We shall see. But I'll be back to let you guys know for sure.
And keep going. Out and then deep, boom, and a deep, and a deep, and a deep. Slide and a boom. Deep, turn and a boom. Ba 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 ba. Yeah, and then I'm gonna finish it out with something. Yep. Boom, boom, time. Yes.
Good God, Curtis Jackson. I don't need your glove. I don't need your blue fur, and I don't need you. Look at my dog, could it be more there? Look at my look, can you say well there? Look at it once, you know what I am. Me, I'm dead in this baby.
Okay, everybody, so I am at home now, and I did not get an opportunity to use this like I thought I would. There is a microwave there at the school. There's like 4 of them. So anyway, I ended up using a microwave for lunch, but I wanted to go ahead and open this up and show you guys the portable oven. Okay, so it's from Sabbath Heat. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it, Sabbath Heat. Okay, let me open it up. All right. Okay. So it looks like it's a little lunchbox. Okay, so it opens up. Okay, let me show you guys. This is what it looks like. It's like that's a handle. Okay, so it looks like it opens up. Okay, it does. Guess I can pull it up here, huh? Okay, so it's like a lunch kit. Looks like a little lunch kit. All right, let's zipper. Oh, okay. All right. So this looks like maybe a temperature gauge or something. All right. Mini oven. Standard version. Okay. Okay, so this is attached to whatever this is. Let me see. Take this out. Oh, this looks like this is a heating plate or something. Okay, that looks like it may be like a heating plate or something. I don't know. Let me look at the instructions so I can let you all know. Okay, but this is the owner's manual. All right, let's see what it says. Okay, well, it comes in many different colors. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so yeah, many different colors. Looks like there's quite a few. What, 16? All right, so let me see what this is. Okay, it's a heating tray device. So this right here is made from Oxford cloth. That's the outer layer. The middle layer is insulated cotton. The middle layer is insulated cotton, and the inner layer is food grade aluminum foil fabric. That's what this right here is. So that's like all over the lid, the top of it and everything. All right, and so this right here is the heating tray device, and this is the heat controller, is what it is. Okay, so how would I use this? Oh, so I can literally place your food on the heating tray device. Containers can be glass, metal, or tin foil, and don't seal the container. Okay, so like I could literally put one of my foil containers in here. Ooh, y'all, I cannot wait to try this. I'm gonna try this out tomorrow. So be sure to come back. This is exciting. Thank you, Sabbath Heat, for sending me this. Yeah, they wanted me to try it and let you guys know about it. Now, you guys know I use my foil pans from Dollar Tree all of the time. This is great. If this can fit in here, I'm gonna be so happy. Bag is still kind of twisted and bent. So let's see. Ooh, y'all, it fits. Oh my goodness. It fits. It fits. Awesome. Okay, so yeah, I'm excited about this. I'm gonna be trying this out tomorrow. We're gonna cook something with this tomorrow, guys. Okay, I have to do it like before I leave and have to be at the school tomorrow. But yeah, we're gonna try this out. Isn't this neat? Tell me what you guys think. Is this something that you guys would be interested in? Wow, this is really neat. So I'm gonna finish reading the owner's manual tonight, and like I said, tomorrow, if I don't get to this tomorrow, then I'll definitely do it before the weekend. We'll try cooking something in this, because if I'm not mistaken, I think you can start out with something that's completely raw, and like raw meat, and cook raw meat in here. Yeah, cooking raw meat. It says it. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know that, but it says it, raw meat. So I'll read all of the information in the owner's manual, and I'll let you guys know. And then I'll get the price and let you guys know how much this is. But I think this is, if this really works, then this is a really awesome little contraption. So yeah, stay tuned. More to come on the little portable